What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu today because there's some big stuff going on. And like I said in my previous video with Dogecoin, the whales are taking over. They are manipulating the prices right now, and some of them aren't even doing it on purpose. It's just what happens. But we're gonna be going over this today. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the algorithm. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and check out the Cash App and the PayPal donation links in the description. It will help to provide some value to this channel, and I will be getting a better camera, better microphone, all that good stuff. I just got the lights with some of the donations, so shout out to you all that sent donations through. I really appreciate it. And also, if you want these vital algo indicators, definitely check out the vital algo link inside of the description. You'll get these automated trading indicators, and you can use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now let's go over what just happened in Shiba Inu. We just had a dump here, and there is a good reason why we just had this dump. So for one, the bears are in control by 80% of the 24-hour market control here, right? But over here on the oscillator, you can see that we are starting to become bullish, even though we have some, red trading down here. We have some selling going on with Shiba Inu. We actually have some bullish movement going on here in the oscillator. Now, the next thing I want to mention here with Shiba Inu is this right here. Multi-billion-dollar Shiba Inu wallet makes some moves. So cryptocurrency investors continue watching the Shiba Inu price after the meme coin's impressive run leading into November. Investors are also keeping a close eye on one particular Shib wallet. This was the person that turned $8,000 into $5.7 billion. That was a huge price right there. So, and they just had to sell out. I mean, they had $5.7 billion out of 8,000. So what they did here, this is the transaction that they actually made. They took that 2.9 billion out of the 5 billion and they sold it. That's why Shiba Inu dropped so much. You can see actually in the volume over here what actually happened. So you can even see like Shiba Inu had like 42 billion in market cap. People were selling out, and eventually this person sold out too. So the 2 point something billion just, it just went into thin air, $2.9 billion. So that's a lot of money that was sold out of Shiba Inu. And yeah, that pretty much caused a huge drop inside of Shiba Inu, like just like that. And people were in since like the beginning of Shiba Inu. So the people that were in, they have every right to sell. Like I would have sold if I were them too. That's $2.9 billion. They still have, they still have like $3 billion in there. I mean, they made a whole $5.7 billion. They took out 2.9 billion. They still got it like 3 billion, like 2.5 billion, something like that inside of there. So they still have a lot of money in Shiba Inu. They just took out some of it because like who's not gonna miss out on that chance to be a billionaire? Just sell some of it and then keep the rest. So that's what the person did here. Shout out to them for making this huge trade here. I mean, I like hands to them. Like that is just amazing. Like that they turned $8,000 into $5.9 billion. And like I'm happy that this person sold. Like that money is going to change their life forever. That money is creating generational wealth for them. So I mean, that's just amazing that they made that money off of $8,000. So yeah, that was a huge sell transaction. So shout out to them for doing that. And pretty much here's the blocks if you guys want to look at that. Like they sold out a lot of Shiba Inu, but that's definitely good news for them. I definitely am happy to hear about that. Even though Shiba Inu price drops, but still it's like it's $2.9 billion. Like, come on. If you all had $2.9 billion, you would sell it too. Now, this is actually a very good thing for Shiba Inu because now we just got rid of a huge whale, meaning that the Shiba Inu is going to keep going up. Because look, even though that whale got out, the wallets are still increasing. There's still more people buying into Shiba Inu every day. Yesterday we had 900,000, 905,600. Today we have 906,556. So every single day we're getting more and more people in Shiba Inu, even though the price just now dropped. So people are really buying that dip up. We're about to see some huge stuff here with Shiba Inu, some big stuff. So yeah, that $5.7 billion, I mean, that was huge. But anyways, Shiba Inu to provide the last buying opportunity before Shib price doubles again. So there's still retail traders. There's still other whales who are going to buy in. There's still a lot of money that's going to flow in through Shib. So as you can see here, they're really saying that Shib is probably about to double again, and this is one of the last, cheap buying opportunities. I'm not going to say we're just about to take off. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. anything can happen at this point, but let's go over this. Shiba Inu price has been bouncing off the 649 support floor. As you can see, we're at 5866 now. So investors can expect Shib to dip into this area ranging from 559 to 622. Right now, we are at the 5876 area. So remember, the red areas here show that we have less demand. It's pretty much our resistance of our supply and demand. It's showing we have less demand. Now the green areas showing that we have more demand. So what's pretty much going on here with Shiba Inu, you can see there's demand for Shiba Inu here to the point where it just does not want to go below this area here. So we have some good support that was going on here. Like the second we went down here, you can see here with the oscillator, the second we started to get a certain amount of sells and we hit a certain price, we just started to become bullish, and you can see all the positive trading volume coming in here through the oscillator. So there's a lot going on here with Shiba Inu. Even though the bears are in control by 80%, we're still doing fairly well. Now, if you look at it from the 1 minute chart, you'll definitely see a different perspective. It looks like we've actually bottomed out and we're actually going up here on an uptrend. If you look at it from the 1M chart, bears are still in control, by 80%, but still, we still have a lot of potential here with Shiba Inu. So that's, we just need to continue to be, how do I put this? You don't want to be paper hands, pretty much. Like when your investments go down, you don't want to go ahead and sell out. I'm really big in baby Dogecoin right now. I'm really big in some other coins. I'm gonna actually reveal my wallet. I'm not gonna tell you all like how much I have and stuff, but I'll tell you what I have in my wallet. And some video coming up next, I'll definitely show you everything I have in my wallet. But this is just to say, you can't just sell out because things are looking bad and looking red. That's how you lose money. You only lose money when you're down. You sell. So that's all I have to say about that. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But yeah, over here, Shiba Inu has been consolidating since it hit a new all-time high on October 28th. So far, Shib has been hovering around a crucial barrier area. So right here, you can see this is a buying opportunity before Shib actually blasts off at this level. So Shiba Inu price prepares for a new leg up. So Shiba Inu price has set up for lower highs since the new all-time high at 886. The swing lows of these peaks have sliced through the 649 support floor multiple times, leaving a pool of liquidity for market makers to collect. So investors can expect Shiba Inu price to dip into this area, ranging from 559 to 622. Right now we're at 5892, so they're pretty right there. So in such a situation, Shiba Inu price will first encounter the 781 resistance barrier, followed by the current all-time high at 886. So beyond these levels, however, Shiba Inu price will aim for the 0.000124 level, which is the 330% target forecast by the bullish pennant breakout on October 20th. So this move would set a record high for Shiba Inu and indicate a 1600% return since October 1st. That is just crazy. It's just outrageous that Shiba Inu is rising that much. I wish I would have put in like right around there. Like that would have been very nice. Anyways, while things are looking good for Shiba Inu price, the descent or the correction could extend beyond the liquidity pool mentioned above. In a slightly bearish case, Shib could slide down to 100% trend-based Fibonacci retracement level at 0.000479. While this move will not invalidate the bullish outlook, it will delay the bull rally for Shiba Inu price. That's a huge statement. They say, like, look, even if we go down to 479, even if we go down below lower than what we're expected to, because we're expected to only go down to 556, even if we go down to 479, we are still going to have a bullish outlook. It'll just be a little bit lower, and then the delay will happen for the bull run, but we'll still be going on a bull run, but it'll just be a delay. So Shiba Inu actually has some good stuff for its future. I mean, it's pretty sound right now with the technicals. I'm going to be completely honest here. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Now this is financial advice, but it's looking pretty sound right now. Anyways, that's some pretty good technical analysis work. Shout out to FX Street for that. But yeah, this whale definitely sold out. Shout out to that whale for selling out. I mean, that's a big bag right there that they just not got. So congratulations to them. I wish that would have been me selling out of all that Shiba Inu. Like that's a lot of money. Like any of you would have sold out too. That's $2.9 billion. For the rest of your life, you could just chill and do nothing, and everyone you know could chill and do nothing. So I mean, that's a pretty good deal. So shout out to them for making all that money. And if you're watching this, the person that won 2.9 million or 2.9 billion dollars, go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal link in the description. Anyways, let's keep going on with this. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for the video. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. Now this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. And if you are the Shiba Inu whale with $2.9 billion, definitely go ahead and send some money through there too. But anyways, all seriousness, thank you all for supporting the channel. I got these cool lights because you all were supporting the channel. And I'm going to be getting a better camera, better mic, better everything. So shout out to you all who actually helped support the channel. It really means a lot to me. And also, if you want these vital algo trading indicators, these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the vital algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.